Talk to me. What do we have tonight, sir?
Shoot, me and John Wick head up. Like always, we're gonna try to go get him.
Running a boosted car in this weather.
Boosted car in this weather. Cold road. It ain't too bad tonight though, so we're gonna see. Hopefully we get him. It's gonna be a good race. No, too many people getting hurt lately, so we've been trying to stay safe. That's why I'm all suited up tonight. So it's the first time you ever see me suited up in the street.
I'm suited up.
Yep.
I see the car naked in front.
Yep. We're trying something. So lately it's been working lately. So.
Be safe, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
Hey, we got it.
Talk to me.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
You know how we do it? We the underdogs tonight.
Going into battle with a bear.
We the underdogs tonight. That's how we like it, though.
Mayor got that check, don't he?
That's how we like it.
The mayor got that check, don't he? He said the mayor got the check, don't he?
Well, John Wick on that like somebody shot his dog tonight.
It's your weather, ain't it, John Wick? It's your weather, ain't it?
Yeah, you bet. What's up, dog? You got too much money in there. Cole, man, you ain't learning betting against us, man?
Look, see?
Come on, man.
I either bet with you and lose or bet against you and lose.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. What's up with you, homie? You all right?
You know it.
Stepping up to the plate, ain't it? That's the only way to get faster, man. Just remember, they sell parts every day, all right? The Summit got them all day, and if they don't, a little spot down there at Barnett, you know what I'm saying? They keep a little
You want
something.
to flip for lanes real quick, or what lane you want?
Yeah, we can do that. Oh, you don't want to choose your lane? Which lane did you want?
We'll flip.
Who got a quarter? I'm broke. I got a penny. I'm broke as all get. There you go. Check.
Where'd he go?
Shamar.
We might need to check too because when Nick was testing the other day, his dipstick came out on the big end, so it might be some oil down there.
Oh, Lord.
How long ago?
2 days ago.
Be all right.
There's enough.
We ain't looked. We ain't even been over there.
I know he just
told me, so I was just, you know what I'm saying?
We'll walk it. I mean, either way, we got to pick a lane.
Remember that may blow.
Who wanna call it?
What lane did he spill oil in?
I ain't gonna tell you. Well, hold on there. Don't flip the motherfucking quarter there.
How you gonna flip?
Hold on, he can't be trusted, man.
We're gonna call it.
Y'all can't trust him, man. He look like I call it.
You ready?
Yep. Heads.
I want right lane.
Right lane? All right, cool. Is that one of the oils in?
Yeah, I'm about to say that. I wish I was
Yeah, that's one of the oils in. It's all right.
That's just
Mark go down dirt road, man.
I ain't worried about 2 day old.
Oh, look at me. That motor was brand new.
Did it go crazy? Nah, just a little bit.
That shit left crazy.
It ain't gonna matter about him.
That shit was plenty so much fucking.
You know what I'm saying? Cole, I can't even believe you, man. That hurts my heart, man.
Okay.
Tell Brett to wait. Say somebody about the race first. No, Brett said he already prepped the road. He won't race. Let him turn his off. Prep my side here. Okay. He need to put heat motor in there. Good night, this car. 200. Go ahead. When Nico gets here, we'll pay Nico. I'm gonna go ahead and go down there. 1,000 a piece. Little slit Rick 1,000. That's it. They don't want to bet no more, I don't think. You know, we come ready to bet. You know how we roll. We run this shit, man. I wish the motherfucker would. I wish the motherfucker would. Hey. My motherfucking partner right now, he run this shit. Right there, that's the baddest bitch in the room. Y'all win what to do. What to do, boy? I believe that's a girl. Hey. I believe that's a girl. The first track day, we gonna put 2,500 on that track. That's a bet. Hey, the first track day. Track day. The first track day. That's a bet. Cause at the track, I ain't I went at the track. If Debo did you like he did at the track tomorrow, you want to stay away from this blue motherfucker. I went in third gear. I beat Top Secret at the track. You want to race again? You want to race again tonight? No, some real shit. Same money, we'll race right now. Same money right now. My shit burned out all the way up there. So did he? He blew the tires off. No. Look at my shit all the way up there. He blew the tires off. I see that, but my shit is spinning out. We will bet the same money right now. This is what I'm saying. When I raced Debo, I went from first to third. Okay. When I raced Top Secret, it was all good. But look, that's what I'm telling you. If you can't fuck with them cars, you don't want to fuck with that blue. I beat Top Secret by 1.5. What? You think we ain't? We'll lock right back in right now and do the same thing. I'm spinning. I'm saying at the track. Nobody at the track wanted to run me. That night, Top Secret, David Ray, you went on the mic. You got on the mic and said, Shamar want anybody here. And nobody said shit. Nobody said nothing. There's no word there, bro. I just said at the track. I said right now. Hey, blue lights. Go. Get the fuck out.